Good morning, my name is Emanuel Montoya, and we are going over past, present, and future continuous. And the first topic I'm going over is past continuous. This tense is used to indicate that a longer action, like in the scheme, was interrupted by a shorter action in the past, and this action is usually in simple past. The form is basically were or was, depending on the noun, plus present participle. Here we have two examples. You were studying when she called. The longer action is like you were studying and then someone called and he interrupted the action. And when you want to make a question, I think everybody knows that we change the form of the sentence. And you use first where, and then the noun, and the verb, and the action that interrupt. Like in example, were you doing your homework when she arrived? The longer action is when you were doing your homework and then someone arrived. I have a fun example of this past continuous tense. And he said, he cried while I was watching football, so I shook him up. There's the guy with a urex, how do you say that? In the mouth, like because he wanted to shut up. And here we have an example. We use sometimes while or when or when. When you use while, it's like there are parallel actions. In this case, he was crying and the father was watching TV. Those was parallel actions. And when you use when, it's shorter actions. I was studying when he called. It's a shorter action. They are not parallel actions. And then we have present continuous. And we use it to express an idea that something is either happening or not now at this very moment. The basic form is the verb to be plus present participle. Like you are watching TV, it means that you are watching TV right now, or you are not watching TV. She's always coming to class late. And we use it also to express that an action is happening continuously in a long time. Like in this case, she's always coming late to class. And then we have future continuous. This is used to indicate that a longer action in the future will be interrupted by a shorter action. And this is like present continuous, is very similar, but just in the future. There are two forms. The first one is this, will be plus present participle. Like I'll be watching TV when she arrives tonight. There's the modal will be watching TV, the form is present participle, and then the complement, the action that is interrupting, it's in simple present. And then we have the other form. It is with going to be. It's the verb to be conjugated, and then we use going to be plus present participle. Like in the example, I am going to be staying at Madison Hotel if anything happens and you need to contact me. In this case, he said that he was staying at the hotel. He was going to stay at the hotel and in case that someone needed him. And here's the scheme. It's an action in the future interrupted by a shorter action in the future. but this action is in simple present, okay? And see that the verb of the action that interrupts is in present tense. I already explained that. And well, that's all, and thank you.